Hi guys, this is Rajiv Nedungadi here, and today I'm going to unbox the 4K plus Blu-ray set of Sicario. Here is the spine, and here is the back. So let's have a look at the details. The Blu-ray disc has some special features. Stepping into darkness, the visual design of Sicario. Blunt, Brolin, and Benico portraying the characters of Sicario. Battle Zone, the origins of Sicario, a pulse from the desert, a score of Sicario. Blu-ray is region A. English Dolby Atmos, Spanish 5.1 Dolby Digital Audio, English 2.0 Dolby Digital Audio optimized for late night listening, English Descriptive Audio, English and Spanish subtitles, English HDH. Feature film is 121 minutes, released in 2015. Okay, so I'm just going to unbox this. Here is the digital code. So on the right side is the 4K disc, and on the left side is the Blu-ray disc. So along with this, I'm also going to unbox the Sicario 2 Blu-ray plus 4K. Okay, so this slipcover did not come with this set. I had an older copy of the movie which I had given to somebody, so I kept the slip with myself because the guy was not interested in buying the slip and taking the slip, that is. So here is Sicario 2. Here is the spine. Here is the back. So special features is from film to franchise, continuing the story, an act of war, making Sicario Day of the Soldado, the assassin and the soldier, the cast and characters. So this is a region ABC Blu-ray disc. So we have English Dolby Atmos, Dolby 287.1 compatible, Spanish 5.1, French, English and French audio description tracks is Dolby Digital, subtitles in English, French, Spanish. Movie length is approximately 122 minutes. So let's open this and see what we have inside. So it comes with a digital code. Okay, this is the digital code. Okay, so this is the Blu-ray on the left and the 4K on the right. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Also, in the description there is a link for WhatsApp group. Please join the group if you want to buy 4Ks and Blu-rays. Thank you so much. Have a great day.